very proud to have gone public this year on NASDAQ, and our customers today have over $20 billion of assets trading on the platform and left 12 months of over $300 million profit. I know that retail investor and the talent eventually is what's driving the ecosystem in eToro. So how does that connect eventually to AI? How do you connect AI into talent? And AI is nothing today without agency, without people and smart people that actually use the AI to create their ideas and to generate eventually double-digit returns on the platform. And at eToro, we embedded AI in every single part of the company. All of the programmers now program with AI. All of the departments, all of the 1,500 employees of eToro have to use AI in their day-to-day. And what we see there, that it increases significantly productivity and our ability to deliver more products at scale to our customers.